Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss about LCR. LCR. Yes, that is also something related to your home loan, and most of the people, even anybody, even looking especially for any kind of commercial loan or looking out for any kind of commercial property. So that will be correlated with this LCR also, but exactly not only limited by this commercial property or commercial even dealing all those things. It is overall the meaning of this LCR is all about loan to cost ratio. So L stands for loan, C stands for cost, R stands for ratio. Loan to cost ratio. Now, how exactly it works? What exactly it is going to affect on even my loan, and how I'm going to utilize this LCR? Why exactly I need to know about LCR? So let me tell you, whatever even whichever state even you are staying in India. So I'm just talking currently about India only. So whichever state you are staying, so whatever property you are going to buy, maybe your residential property, maybe your commercial property, so whatever exactly property you are going to buy, so there is also a market value, right, which I've already discussed even in my last video. So you can go back and you can just watch it, so you will understand what exactly the market value. Now on this, as a owner, let's say if I'm going to purchase any kind of property, I'm going to register under that particular government. So whatever states you are staying, so as you know, you have to even register your property even under that government, and you have to name it on yourself. So I'm the owner for this property. How I can declare the ownership? So that we have already even discussed in detail. Some of the couple of the videos even last even home loan series itself. So you can go back, you can watch it. Was exactly the title deed, all those stuff you can go back and you can watch, and then you can come back with this video so that you will be able to understand what exactly the registration I'm just talking about. So today, let's say it will be under whom? It will be under even authorization by a local body, the governing body, and that I need to register on my name. So whatever earlier even property owner, or maybe if I'm purchasing from any of the builder, or maybe it's a new property, or maybe it's a resale property. So what exactly the buying capacity? What exactly the buying even protocol? So based on that one, I know I'm the present owner. I have to register this property under my name. Then only I can declare legally, yes, I'm the owner for this property. So that entire process is called your registration, your property. For that, you have to pay even some XYZ amount of tax even under that government itself. So different states, different government, different even registration cost is applicable. So I'm not getting into all those stuff. You can even check out with your local body, with your local state, local village, local even town, even city, wherever you are staying. So based on that, it will be calculated. It will be on some percentage. So if you ask me, it can be even zero point 0.5 till even point your 6.7 or 8 or any up to 7 you can say. So 0.5 to 8% it will be varied, depends on your states, depend on your like which are the town, which are the city even you are staying, right? So that is one part. Now the LCR, where it comes actually, the LCR, the loan to cost ratio. So the amount what exactly I'm purchasing, and the amount what exactly I'm going to register under this government, that will be my property value. So let's say I'm just giving a simple example. So just an example to understand this, what exactly how this LCR even getting uh, uh, clear. So let's say today I'm going to purchase, let's say, a property of 1 CR, XYZ, any person or any builder, whatever it is, as I already have cleared. Now I'm going to register, let's say, under XYZ government, whichever state I told. So under this government, I'm going to register, let's say, on 90 lakhs. Clear? So that will be my entire loan to cost ratio because I have registered on 90 lakhs. So now my property cost is 90 only. The legal cost it is 90 lakhs, though I have purchased in 1 CR. Why I have to do this? Why I'm doing this? So there will be a lot of human answer. One way you can say yes, you're going to just save your cost on the registration part, because you can see when it is 1 CR, when it is let's say 90, so definitely the 10 lakhs whatever irrespective of the percentage of the registration cost, so I'm going to save it. That is one way. Secondly, it can be done in a either way also. Let's say I have purchased in 90 lakhs, or I'm going to register let's say in 1 CR. So it is on a vice versa. So depends on what exactly dealing you are doing, what exactly your financial stability, what exactly your market cost, what exactly bank is going to provide you. So all this thing depends. It's not by practice. It is all like the process you have to follow. The cost, even exactly you have to take a permission from the bank, even whatever the regulatory body, that you have to also match up with this. But on an example of what exactly will be the LCR, that I'm going to explain over here. 90 lakhs property, once year I'm registering, so that will be my LCR. Based on that one, I have to register. Based on that one, I have to pay the registration cost. Once year property, I'm going to register 90 lakhs. So based on that one, whatever the percentage, whatever the cost, that I'm going to pay to the respective body or respective government, whatever state you are staying. So there is a clear understanding about LCR, loan to cost ratio. Now, how it is going to help out me? Why exactly I need to understand? So first and foremost thing, it is again like either way you can see whether you want to show your property cost is low or you want to show your property cost is high, because the registration value, the registration cost, what exactly you're going to register, that will be only your proof. So let's say after 10 years, if I want to sell it off, so on what registration cost, that only it will be calculated. Whether it is below, whether it is high, what exactly you have done it. So that is one parameter you have to be very, very careful. Secondly, yes, definitely, you have a lot of even other parameters, like where you want to get even, let's say your rate of interest of loan, or let's say your registration cost, or let's say you want to keep all other things even keep aside. So all these parameters that you have to decide, and based on your way you can do this. But if overall, if you want to understand what exactly the LCR, this is nothing but the registration cost, what exactly I'm going to do on my property. That's it. So I hope again this video will help all of us to understand, even somebody is newly even purchased or newly even going to register, or let's say they are under even process of this. So definitely these people will be very, very helpful by this video. And now we all have a clarity what exactly LCR, what exactly the meaning of LCR, and what is actually the workflow of this LCR, right? So again, thanks for watching. Anytime, any moment, any kind of further discussion, any kind of additional discussion, I'm always available. You can chat me, you can reach out to my mailbox itself. Thanks. Thanks for watching.